I'm working on this 2019 Ram ProMaster City, and today I'm going to be replacing a driver's side taillight assembly, and this comes complete with light bulbs in it. And I'm at the AutoZone to pick this up, and the taillight assembly was $230, which is not bad for a newer vehicle. And this ProMaster City has a couple other little problems. It has a random misfire, so I gotta try to check that out as well, figure out what's going on. And then the passenger side rear door, the bottom latch, looks like it's been was broken free of the spot welds, and it has stress fractures in the metal. So I don't quite get what's going on with there in such a new vehicle. It has it has 19,290 miles. And there is the broken taillight assembly, and I'll show you the latch that I'm talking about. And you can see it's stress fractures around where the spot welds were. Just broke the metal away, probably from being open and closed a lot. And I see this quite common on vehicles we have that are older, but I don't really see that on newer vehicles. This is the taillight assembly I got from AutoZone, and this is the complete one. Really not a bad price. It's really easy to put in. It's only 3 Phillips head screws and 1 plug. So on the old one, I'll show you how to take off this back panel and replace the light bulbs. And there are the 3 Phillips screws. And then you can release the door, the back door, with that yellow handle to let it open all the way. Pull these 3 screws out real quick. Here's a look at the connector. You just pinch it and it pulls right out. There's 2 alignment tabs that go into the quarter panel, and it just pushes in. There's the alignment tab right there, and it keeps it from moving around. You just push that in after hooking up the wiring harness. Put in the 3 Phillips screws, screw those in. If you're just replacing the light bulbs, all you have to do is remove the taillight assembly, remove the Phillips screws on the back, and this whole back panel pulls off and you can access all the lights. Back part of the panel comes off as a unit, and you just flip it to the side and you can remove each individual light bulb. And to remove it, you just push down and twist counterclockwise and they pop right out. Put it back in, you push down, turn clockwise, and super easy. Really a cheaply made vehicle for being made for commercial use. What's going on, Jordan? Doing good. So now all I have to do is figure out the misfire problem and then either figure out a way to weld this door or get a replacement door for this broken bracket. That's disappointing. This broken door doesn't even make any sense.